Hey, what's up guys? I'm Dan H and welcome back to the project. So right now I'm at the point on Project Beach Street where if I am to continue on the engine bay, I'm going to have to do a little bit of welding. That's a little bit of a problem because I don't have a welder. So I did what anyone would do. I jumped on YouTube and I started researching what's a good welder to buy. Unfortunately, the conclusion I came to was you can't find a good welder under $1,000 and they all require 220 volts of electricity. That's a problem too because I only have 110 where I need to do my welding. So that means I can't even borrow a good welder from a buddy. So I stayed stagnant for a while, and that really sucked. And the Red Sox won the World Series, and that sucked even more.
Here comes a 1-2 pitch. Red Sox win the World Series!
But then, the Harbor Freight catalog came in. Right there on the front cover was a complete kit to start welding, and it only cost $100. That's including the welder. Seemed like it was too good to be true. So I popped on YouTube, started researching what that welder was, and I saw this dude, Strange Garage. He actually welded 1/4-inch thick steel and a T-joint with the bevel, and he couldn't get that sucker to break, not even with a sledgehammer. His weld was so good, he actually broke the sledgehammer. So check out that dude's video, Strange Garage, and check out what I got. Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder. Let's open this thing up. You know what? Before I get started, let me put on my Yankee hat. And unfortunately, I drank all of my Yankee wine. So I'm just going to go into my mini fridge with my Yankee magnet on it, grab a beer, and open it with my Yankee bottle opener. And I'm just going to set it aside over here on my Yankee stool. Alright, now we can unbox this thing. Alright, there should be, just grab my knife over here, got it. Alrighty, come on welder. We got some paperwork. Correct, incorrect. Take a look at that later. Owner's manual and safety instructions. Ooh. Bunch of accessories up top here. Handle, I suppose. Brush and hammer. Ooh. I don't know what that was. I think this is the visor to the helmet. I don't know. That's why there's instructions. Hardware. What is this? Self-shielded flux core welding wire. Oh, good. Welding wire included. Isn't this kit the best? Chicago Electric. So, I don't know. See if it's good. Nah, it's 030 gauge. Cool. Got that. You know what? Just gotta put everything back up here. Mystery piece. Oh, look, here it is. Shade. I guess that is the helmet shade. Helmet, visor, thingy. instructions, blah, blah, blah. We'll just lift up this whole top. Put this over on the workbench. It's on my Yankee stool. Pouring out for the Yankees. Not really. Don't want to make a mess in my garage. But I did take a sip. Alright, we've got a whole bag of stuff in here. And, she weighs quite a bit. Deep down inside is face mask. Nothing else in the box. Okay, cool. She is. Cool. Seems like it's not broke. That's a good sign, especially from Harbor Freight. You get brand new broke stuff. Here's a side story. When my wife and I bought this house, we got a gift. It was a Chicago Electric drill driver gun from Harbor Freight, and brought it home, put the battery in, it was fully charged. The light went on, and that was it. Broke right then and there. So, I'm not usually too fond of Harbor Freight stuff. But this, man, $100, can't beat it. Here's the front of it. Nothing special there. So this is... what is this? 125 amps. Alright. I'm pretty sure they used to make this exact same thing in 90 amps. I'm not sure why they went from 90 amps to 125, but I believe it does the same exact thing. So, this is what I got. This is what we're going to use. And, how do you open this thing? Push button, open. Cool. Feed our wire in there. Nice. We got recommended volt settings with wire speed settings with thicknesses, so that's cool. And here, show you how to wire it up. Fantastic. That's exciting. I gotta assemble the handle. Let's see what I broke here. Oh, not broke, just dropped. That's good. So this is basically it. Let me show you what else I got. Because this thing looks like crappy, flimsy, cheap junk. And you need one hand to hold the mask, obviously, while you're welding. And I rather weld with two hands. So, I also got this bad boy. Blah. A helmet. More cheap Chicago Electric stuff, but that should do the trick. And also, Some other things I also got on Amazon was some anti-spatter tip dip. This Flux core stuff spatters a whole lot, and hopefully this will reduce spatter from the tip. And we got some anti-spatter spray. So I think you put this on the thing you're about to weld. In my case will be some stuff in the engine bay, and this will keep the spatter from sticking. Another thing I also saw on YouTube, thank you YouTube, replacement tips. Now the tip that comes with this flux core welder is really overkill, so they say. So I've heard. This is it's more of a gas shield, and we're not using gas in this welder. We're only using flux core. So these tips in here. If I could open this. Well, the bag ripped, so that sucks. There. This tip has a little pocket where your welding gas can keep the oxygen out for a better weld. But I won't be welding with gas. So these tips here, they have a little narrow nozzle. I guess you can see what you're welding a little better. So that's that. This is my welding starter kit. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you for watching my welder unboxing video. I'm very excited to try this thing out. It's my first welder. So stay tuned for the next video when we give this thing a go. Also, go check out Strange Garage. Big thank you to Taylor, who helped with all the information when I made this purchase. So go check out his channel. So, that's it. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next project.